Hey, what's going on? In the last video, this battery felt weak, so I fixed it. And now it works. But the real question is, does it actually perform like a good battery? Take a look at the cell voltages. One of them is much lower than the others. I'm going to bring that cell back up. So all the cells are at a similar voltage. Alright, let's test this spark with a power tool. Looks perfect. Runs nice and smooth. So look at that. I'm going to check the battery indicator. But I think that's not a full story. Let's push it harder. I'm going to use a stimulate load. Same battery, 10 amps. Look at that. The voltage drops much faster. So yes, it goes again, but only under light load. Under high load, the voltage drops hard and fast. That weak cell still limits the entire park's performance. And look, even after balancing and using it, its voltage is still lower than the others. The problem comes back. Next, I'll compare this with a healthy battery and show you the real difference. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.